Hey guys, here we will learn how to make a Recycleview in Jetpack Compose. In Jetpack Compose, it makes Recycleview easier and save a lot of a line of code compared to XML. Okay, let's start it. First, we will to create a new project and choose the empty Compose activity and okay, give it the name Recycleview Learn. Okay, let's finish. Okay, the project has been ready to create the code. Okay, first of all, I will delete it from this code. Okay, I will create a composable function. Composable function called home screen. And in here, I will add the scaffold for the main of layout. Okay, okay. In here, I will give the content. In here I will add the new composable function. Let's create again composable function. Home content. Before to create something code in here, we will create a data class for here. Create new package, create data. Okay, and in here I will give the data class. The name is pet. Okay, in here I will give the attribute. The attribute is id is integer and title string and its maybe string and image is integer. Okay, like this the data class. Okay, and then I will create the data provider for the item view, the item data for the list. In here I will create the cartoon object. The name is data provider. Okay. In here I will give the name of kitty pet is equal list of. In here we will call the data class pet and fill the attribute id is equal on, title is equal maybe Alex, and then age is equal 2 years, and image I will create an image. I will give the picture from the drawable. In here I will copy paste from my directory. In here I will make this image to copy paste in here, copy and paste in drawable and click OK. Okay, the image has been copied in here and filled in here drawable, and I will import it and kitty. Okay, repeat this value until you up to you. Okay, and then I will create in here a composable content. In here I will make the new variable called is pt. Pt is equal remember. Okay, and let's import it. Data provider. Okay, dot kittypad. And here I'll create lazy column. Lazy column is like Recycleview in XML. Okay, let's get it in here. Content padding. Give content padding. In here we will give the padding value horizontal. Horizontal padding value is 60.dp and import again, and then a vertical is 8 dp. You can to explore it again. Before I write any more code, and I will create new package and create a view to hold the item from the list. Okay, let's create this. A new package is named view. In here, I will create a composable function contain item view. The name is pet data item Kotlin file, and make composable function pet data item. Okay, I will give this constructor in pet data pet, and in here I will give the card. I'll give the modifier. Okay, the padding horizontal is 8 dp, and enter, and vertical is 8 dp, and fill make width. It means it will fully of the width of your screen. Let's get the elevation is 2 dp, maybe you can export it again. Background color is white, and I will give the shape rounded shape corner size is 60 dp. In the inside of card, I will give a row. A row will create a view horizontally. Okay. Inside of row, I will give something values. The name is column. The column is the opposite of row. It creates value vertically. Column. I will make the modifier in here. Give the padding is equal 60 dp. Fill make white, and alignment center vertically. And inside of row we will give two value, like in here I will give text. The text is pet dot title, give style, typography. Okay, let's enter to alt enter, and in here x6 for the smallest value, and then I will give it again. The name is aids. Okay, like this, and I will call this function in the main activity inside of home content of lazy column. In here I will give the items is equal petty, and item content. I will create this for, I'll call the function pet data item. It. Okay, and home content I will call in here home content. Okay, and I will call the screen in here. Okay, okay, let's run the app. Okay, then the app is look like this. You can scroll it. The data is up to you. Okay, maybe I forgot something. I forgot to add image of this uh, item. Let's do it. In here, I will create a new composable function. The name, the name is pet image. Content pet class. Okay. In here, I will give the image pointer is pointer resource pet dot image. The content description is null. We will give the content content scale is crop and give the modifier. If this padding is 8 dp, size is maybe 80 dp, and clip is corner rounded shape. Give the corners value, corner size is 60 dp, and I will call this function in the inside of row pet image pet. Okay, like this, and I will run this app again. Okay, the app will look like this. uh, it's very beautiful and no need to create a lot of code. It's very simple in Jetpack Compose. Okay, in here, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next video. Thank you.